Do this real quick. 0302216562 African, put me on right now. Let's have a little chat with our listeners. You know what I'm saying?
Hot beats. 50 Cent send his regards. You know what I'm saying? Like you get some hot beats. 50 Cent want to send his regards to y'all. You know what I'm saying?
You sure about that?
Yeah. Like get some hot beats.
F50.
What is that?
F50?
I don't know what I'm saying.
Oh, that's the same G, you know, 50 Cent.
Oh, really?
Yeah, AKA Ferrari, AKA F50.
You
know what I'm saying?
J-style, you know what I'm saying? You know
all right, so let's hit the phone lines right now. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
What's the name? Where are you calling from?
No size.
Vic.
No size.
All right, so Vic, go on. We're listening to you.
I went to YouTube.
What?
I went to YouTube.
You
and
went?
I saw some little girl.
You went to YouTube?
Yeah.
And you saw a little girl?
Uh-huh.
And what happened?
Papa, his name is Mary Aki Odenewa. So please find her for me. So
okay. All right.
He's the owner of the station. We're gonna do that for you real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's pick our next caller. Hello. Oh, sorry about that. Let's try one more time. African, are we good to go? Okay, so whilst we wait for them to sort that one out.
You got a 50 Cent thing for me.
Oh, you still want me to do something 50 for you?
Sending his greetings and I just some hot beat.
Okay.
Nah, you're not gonna just take it easy right here, right? You're gonna break the glass.
So how about a 50-inch true? So you give me some rap.
Okay. I was playing.
Okay, so hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hey, I like it. Hello. Okay, so what's the name? Sandra.
Yes, please.
Okay, so Sandra, go on. We're listening to you. Sandra.
I want to ask Sister Sandy. When we were growing,
yeah,
we had a rhyme which says, "Soap and water makes the body clean."
Soap and water makes the body clean.
Yeah. So I want to ask, what makes our towels dirty?
What makes our towels dirty?
Yeah.
It's because we are made out of. Okay, no, I don't want to go there. It's all right.
We're made out of sun. You know what I'm saying? The Bible said that Jesus used clay, sun, to create us, and He who made our moon. So yeah, we made of sun.
Oh
so
my
obviously,
goodness! Oh my
we
goodness!
always gonna be daddy. That's
Hey! Oh, I run it, I get money. I get money. I get money. I get money. Yeah. Come on, check us out on Facebook right now. Yeah, we're doing something crazy in the studio. Hey. Oh.
FM, all the hits and more.
It's all right. Sit down. It's all right. I mean, you there's no need to give it all to them. You know what I'm saying? You gotta save something for tomorrow. Yeah. You can't do all of it right now.
You're not feeling me today.
You don't do that.
You're really not feeling me today. I don't like that.
Oh my goodness.
Brooklyn, I'm saying.
Oh yeah. I mean,
Corona
it's all good.
So we in the snow.
Yeah,
the system is working.
We're doing our thing in here, yeah?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we gotta make it wet right here. Yeah, it's working.
The system is good.
And that's what it is, all right? So,
any caller? Let's take our last caller.
Really? Okay, so let's try and do that one. Hello? Please, you're on air. Talk to me. Hello? Yeah, what's the name?
Yeah, I'm Jennifer from Mataico.
Okay, Jennifer, we're listening to you.
Yeah, Sandy.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, yourself.
Yeah, some time ago I saw you riding Okada.
You said?
Some time ago I saw you riding a bicycle.
Yeah, that's me, baby. That's me.
Yeah, I want to know, are you for the Okada people or you are for the drivers? Thank you.
My dear, I'm for the church drivers. I'm for the Okada. I'm for the Ubers. I'm for the private car. You know, sometimes I drive Bill's car. I drive Jerry's car. Whatever is available, I use it.
Oh my goodness.
Anything that has tie, wheelbarrow, I'm for it.
That's all. That's it. We can't pick any more calls.
All right, bro. I'm gonna leave you right now. My plane is ready, so I'm gonna take a leave. Right?
I know.
Okay, bro.
I know.
Yeah, I'm out of
So
here.
on that note, let's give thanks to our sponsors. Vodafone. Yeah. Now, when you send money on Vodafone, it's free. From Vodafone Cash to Vodafone Cash, it's free. From Vodafone Cash to any other network, it is also free. So why don't you hop onto your Vodafone so you can send that money, you can send that cash right now for free without any charges. That's what I'm talking about right now. Yeah, so go on, just dial *110# to send that cash for free right now. Ready? All right, so we're done with that one. And next, thanks to Woodin. Woodin is doing something amazing. They are giving out free stuff. So all you need to do, go to any Woodin shop near you, buy, I think a 2-piece or something. Yeah. I mean, when you go, they'll explain it to you. As soon as you buy it, you get your gift and you walk away. As simple as that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woodin, les créateurs. All right, so we'll be checking out of here in no time. But in the meantime, without wasting much time, let me once again wish you a happy birthday. And mom says here, family and Quisiata, live long, is annual mom says here. Now, me born farmer Felix Bell, or says annual or Peppa, and then Felix Bell birthday. So, Felix Bell, happy birthday to you. Nyame, we sharp, all right? Nafe memfa shedding Emma Elder Jumo and in Abusu nyina mo Dortmund Church of Pentecost nyame onchiche more na yesre erade se onfa ekua ekra ensie ye mama late mama late afro shop or Dortmund Germany osio mamu nyina shedding Omekuya so dem refedue nyame onfa ne kra ensie ye. All right, so this is Long Life from Famia and Kwesi Arthur is on this one as well. And it's a special one to you, Felix Bell. Tamavwe, money me Tamavwe. Say MDS Lancet Laboratories. Omo de another branch abebo mu otema. Him say can Lancet phone so dia. Omo ISO accredited medical laboratory. Nene omo be a new branch otema. We eba be added to our existing facility at Watermark Community 9 opposite the General Hospital. Now new branch no location at Watermark Community 1 in the same building with Star Assurance close to Air Prudential House. Wait me out phrase 050-410-1201 and 0302-610-480. MDS Lancet, key to diagnostic excellence. Abusuya duwasi nyame eya adumwa ochina ode chen ya ye be sign we hia efri no miensa bremu ekopem se ebebo enwe no nsia but it is likely say show no ye de bebrel efri abonten mframa nko no air condition it's your china make a date as like I say come mu ina asem no ye tena nyame hira mu ina na de edi on come producers no Papa Bills to our